Hey guys, how to fix iPhone apps not downloading. To fix iPhone apps not downloading, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data. Check your storage space next. So I'm gonna go ahead to my settings, go to the general, iPhone storage, and consider deleting unused apps or files if you are running low. Okay. Next, verify that app downloads are allowed on in your screen time settings. So go ahead to the settings, go back, scroll a little bit down to your screen time. Okay, and then scroll to the content and privacy restrictions. Okay, and make sure you go to the allowed apps and features. Right, make sure the app is allowed in your screen time settings. Right. Next, what you're gonna do, sign out and back into your Apple ID. So I'm gonna go ahead to my Apple account, scroll it down and hit sign out and re-log in again, and hopefully that fixes the problem. If that issue persists, try restarting your iPhone or updating to the latest iOS version. So go ahead to stay in the settings, general, software update, make sure that your iOS is fully updated, and if not, if it is, try to restart your iPhone by clicking the shutdown or turn off button at the top right and reopen it again using your home screen or lock screen. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.